Hello everyone, I hope you're good and pretty well. Do you say much books or many books? Most English learners make this mistake every day. In the next few minutes, I will show you the simple difference between much and many with easy examples so you will never get confused again. Let's get to start. What is the difference between much and many? We use many only with countable nouns and much only with uncountable nouns. Many and much are both mainly used with negative sentences. Many countable nouns. We use many only with countable nouns. Here are several situations with examples in which we use many. Affirmative sentences. An affirmative sentence means a large number of countable nouns. We put the noun in the plural form. For example, there are many flowers in the garden. I have many cars. Negative sentences. And a negative sentence is not many means a few or a small number of countable nouns. The nouns and verb are in the plural form. Examples: there aren't many raspberries on the plate. There are not many eggs in the porridge. Questions. On a question, we use many to ask about the number or quantity of countable noun. In the plural form, the question how many specifically asks for the number of units of countable noun. Examples: how many television do you have? How many students are there in your class? Are there many jobs in London? Much uncountable nouns. We use much only with uncountable nouns. Here are several situations with example in which we use much. Affirmative sentences. In affirmative sentences, much means a large quantity, amount of uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are always in singular form and the verb is singular too. Example: there is no much water, there is much soap. It is more common and better to use a lot of or a lot of to describe a large quantity of something in affirmative sentences. Examples: there are a lot of water. There is a lot of soup. There is a lot of milk in the glass. Negative sentences. In a negative sentence, not much means little or small amount and uncountable nouns. The nouns is the singular form. Example: he does not have much hair. There is not much water in the jug. I don't have much money. Questions. In a question, we have much to ask about the amount or quantity of an uncountable nouns. In the singular form, the question how much specifically asks about the quantity of uncountable noun. Example: how much rice do we need? How much time does it take to drive to London? How much money do you earn? There are several questions with how much regarding many and the value of things. Examples: how much money does she have? How much does it cost? Common mistake with much and many. We do not use much with countable nouns. There are much here in the kitchen. This is wrong. We do not use many with uncountable nouns. There isn't many water in the bottle. Incorrect. There are not many chairs in the glass. Can you make one sentence using many and make one sentence using much? If you found this lesson helpful, please like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more easy English grammar lesson. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson. Bye.